Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a resume in your Google Docs. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open Google Docs. So open Chrome browser in your Windows search bar, type Chrome, click on it under the best match. So make sure you are logged in into your Google Chrome. So make sure you are logged in from here. And then you will find this one, Google Apps. Click on that. And then scroll down and you will find Docs. Click on that. So start a new document. So you have your day, resume, letter, project proposal, and the brochure. Now simply click on this drop down arrow for the template gallery. And here you will find Here you'll find different templates for your resumes. Okay, so you just need to simply choose one by one. You have your resume Swiss, resume serif, resume coral, resume spearmint, resume modern writer. So it's up to you. Now let's choose this one, resume modern writer. So you cannot access into the template gallery if you are not logged in into your Chrome browser. So it's from docs.google.com. Okay, so here you can simply edit your address from here, your email, and then type your name. You just need to simply like that and then type your name. Okay, like that. And then your skills, you just have to simply edit that from here. Okay, you just have to select it, experience, your company name. You also have here the list of the categories inside this resume. You have here for education. Okay, education, your awards. And then once done, then you already have your resume in Google Docs. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.